Hello everyone, welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you demonstration of project as a blog management. So for that, we are using Spring Boot and React.js. So React.js for the front end and Spring Boot for the for the back end. I'm just going to start my servers, and then we'll see the flow how the things are working. So I'm going to give you a demonstration in this video how the things are working, and in case you have bought this project from Code One, you have already bought this project from Code One and my team has done the setup at your machine, then how can you operate it at your side? So first thing, as we are using tools as a IDE, Eclipse here for the backend, and for the front end we are using Visual Studio. And here in the Visual Studio, what you need to do, you need to run the command first because it will take time to run. So here after installation you can run npm start, and don't worry about the configuration and setup. We will do the complete setup at your machine and we'll leave the project in this state, and after that you need to follow this demo in order to run the application. So I have just raised a command here npm start, and this will start the server, front end server. And to start the backend server, what we need to do, just open this application.java file, blog post application.java file in first page, right click on it, go to run it as a Java application. So it will start the backend server, and to store the information, we are using MySQL Workbench. So here into the MySQL Workbench, you will see the block table here. So it has a different roles and post and like users are there. So with the users, we have two types of users. One is admin and the second is user of the application. So different tables are there, text is there, post table is there, that is related to the post. And yeah, so it's started, the server is started on 902. Also for the front end side, we have started server on Visual Studio, but it will take time to launch the server. So meanwhile, let's operate the backend, so backend things that we are using. So it's following the MVC architecture for both side, for front end side as well as back side. So I'm going to give you brief introduction about the technology and the file structure that we are using. So we have config is using JWT authentication. So with each and every request, it need to verify the authentication over there. So we have configuration related to authentication as well. We have controllers that manage the controller side, DTOs, entities, exception, model, response repositories, API repositories. So it's using JPA over there. Under the services section, we have service layer and utility. Oh, it's running on the Java 11 right now, and the port number it's using H02. Also, you can run the APIs under the controller. We have all the APIs, so you can run those APIs over the Postman as well for the testing. So these APIs you can run over the controller APIs. We are using the REST controller over there, so you can run this REST APIs over your Postman server as well. And it's still taking time. So this all about the backend side, and backend is ready to execute. Now for the front end side here, what we are using, we have components, CSS, pages, utility. So in the pages, we have all the pages definitions. Under the component section, we have a component. Routers are there. Into the app.js, we are managing the routings, and once it will start the server, then we'll start the demonstration. So for clearing all the things I'm using for the front end, it's using for the front end it's using HTML, CSS and React.js. For the back end, it's using Spring Boot with JWT authentication and JPA. Okay, so the application is running now, and this is the home page. Over the home page, we have simple message, welcome to my blog, and we have login option and sign up option. So if a new user is there, they can sign up by clicking or by filling up this form. When they click on the save, it's saved and it's redirect to the home page. So now if I refresh my data table, and here into my user table, I can see the new record as a user. Let me show you. Here it is, and let's log in with this user now. I just what this user can do, so I just enter the username, and do we have password? Yeah, we have password. Enter the correct password, the registered password over there, and when you click here, what user can see, user can go to the blog section, user can view the blogs over there. So these are the blog that is added by the admin users, and when I click on this continue reading, it will give me a detailed information about the article, about that article here, here. So we can view the information. Now I'm going to log out, and you can see the author information, the author that is going to edit this blog that is added by here, that will display here. So it's creating a view of a blog page over there. The feature image is there, heading is there, and the complete paragraph. Now if I log out, and I'm going to log in as an admin and see what admin can do and how we are adding this thing. So here we have username as an admin, and yeah, will it work? Yeah, it's working. So I added the admin. So what admin can do, admin can add a new user. That users will be displayed over here. As an admin, I can edit any user. Let's say I want to add this user to username, yeah, first name to edit. This will identify this record is edited. When I click to the save, okay, I have to select the drop down as well. It's fine. So when I did this, you can see it's edited. If I want to delete this record, I can delete it. So admin have access to delete any user at any time. Apart from that, the important feature is to add a block. So let's say I'm going to add a new block. So let's say add new block, and I can add the description. So the description you can copy or write any meaningful data over there. I'm just you can maximize and minimize this. You can maximize this input box, this text box. So I'm just adding some dummy content over there. So let me quickly edit. Yeah, now here we can choose an image. So I need to upload an image. Let's say I'm going to add the image of this car, and here it's not a jpg image. So make sure while you're adding, make sure the proper image you are adding jpg, it can be jpg or png. So I did this image, and here into the pdf I can add a pdf of the article. So if I have the pdf, okay, say testing content, here we have sample pdf, and select option is a category. So we can select the category of the blog, click on the save. You can see the blog is added here. Okay, as an admin, what I can do, I can edit this blog, I can do the continue reading, I can delete it, and I can download the pdf that is added by the admin. The pdf is for just for example, in case of any document that we want to attach with a blog, it will be displayed over here. Also we can edit this as an admin, so it will fetch automatically the information. We can fill up the update the details, and we can form, we can submit this form. So let's say I'm going to go this, copy this, I just add more content over there. Again, I select the category as a spot, click on save. So it's saved and the content is added. If I go to the continue reading, it will give me a complete interface to read it. And also I can delete it if I want. Let's say I want to delete this record, so I just click on the delete. The record is, that blog is deleted now. Okay, so we have done with demonstration of a blog section, add blog, user list, add user, and logout. So it's a really good project for learners that you want to learn, because we are managing the image uploading with a form, and we are using pdf things over there, we are using images over there, we are performing complete root operation. We are managing the login registration to maintain the sessions over there. We are using JWT authentication. So every time when user going to log in and access some APIs, it's generating key over here. You can say into this console, and also I will create a separate video to run the APIs into the backend. So you can go with a backend as well. So now if you need the source code, you can connect us over the WhatsApp, Skype, or the given contact detail on the video in the corner. So just check the contact detail over there as a WhatsApp, Skype, or email. We will do the complete setup at your machine, and after configuration we'll make sure the complete video is complete project is working same as shows in this demo. And thank you.